Text functions in Excel. Part 2. Now let's switch to the sheet called Text Handling. In column A, we have raw text. Notice the extra spaces before and after the codes. This kind of data is very common in the workplace. It usually happens when information is copied from emails, websites, PDFs, or exported from another system. It can also happen when forms are filled in manually and users accidentally press the spacebar. Even though the text may look fine on the screen, Excel treats these spaces as real characters. This means that two values that look the same may not actually be the same to Excel, which can cause problems later on when sorting, filtering, or matching data. The function in Excel that removes spaces at the beginning and end of text is trim. Click on cell B2, then click on the FX icon in the Excel toolbar. In the search box, type trim and click Go. Select the function from the list by double-clicking on it. Trim removes unnecessary spaces. This is important because even if text looks correct, Excel may treat it as different due to hidden spaces. This can cause lookups, filters, or comparisons to fail. Let's move on to another useful function. In the workplace, data is often split up on purpose. For example, in the name-surname worksheet, a system may store a customer's title in one column, their name in another, and their surname in another. This makes the data easier to manage. But when you want to create a report, an email, or a label, you usually need everything in one cell. Concatenation allows Excel to join text together automatically instead of typing it manually. This saves time and reduces mistakes, especially when working with large data sets. Click on cell D2, then click on the FX icon. In the search box, type concat and click Go. The list shows both concatenate and concat. These do the same basic job, but concat is the newer and recommended option. In the first text field, enter A2, which contains the customer's title. If, in the second field, we enter B2, which contains the name, there will be no space between the title and the name. We can confirm this by checking the preview shown in the window itself. So, in the second field, we enter a space by pressing the spacebar. Then the name goes in the third field. We repeat these steps to join the surname to the full string of text. Instead of typing everything manually, concat does it for you. Once the formula is in place, Excel automatically combines the text for every row. Let's go back to the sheet, Text Handling. In cell C2, we will add the word code to the text in cell B2. This is something you might need to do in the workplace when creating clear labels or descriptions for reports, invoices, or exported files. Note that we are using B2 instead of A2 because B2 contains the corrected version of the text. For those who enjoy a challenge, we can carry out the trim and concat functions in one step. This is done by working backwards, starting from the concat function. In cell I2, let's apply the concat function. If we open the formula, we can see that it refers to B2. Now let's check what is in B2. We exit the cell by pressing Escape on the keyboard, and then double-click on B2. We can copy the content of B2 into I2. Remember to remove the equal sign when copying. Since one function is used inside another, this is called a nested function. This is very common in Excel, especially when you need to clean data for presentation or reporting.